Hi, my name is Jerry Elrod with Middleby Marshall. Today I'm going to show you how to do your annual cleaning on your CTX oven. You guys are already well versed on the regular maintenance that you do with the daily cleaning. We're going to take it one step further, and this should be done about once a year. What you're going to do is you're going to want to start off with it cold, because you're going to want to get inside the bake chamber and scrape out any kind of debris that you'll see on the elements or on the sides here. You want to use a plastic scraper to get that debris out. Once you do that, you could take your bristle brush and you could kind of pile that all up, and then just use your vacuum to get in there and vacuum that all out. And the next step is you're going to want to fire it up, run your cleaning cycle. Once that gets up to 900 degrees and the belt is nice and heat soaked, you could come along with your detergent. Any kind of mild dishwashing detergent will work great. Dawn will work great. And then you take your bristle brush. You don't want anything too soft, more of a firm brush. Dip it in and then just rub it across your belt. Your belt will be running in one direction. Start at the entrance end of the oven. That way it's nice and cool on that end, and then it'll run through and dry off as you go. Once you do that, depending on how caked up it is, you might have to do that a couple times.